In this session, we are going to have a look at how DraftSight can be used to work on documents from within a SOLIDWORKS electrical schematic. This is achieved by opening the document from within electrical schematic, but into the DraftSight product. After editing on closure, the document reverts to its electrical schematic form. This process is available with all versions of DraftSight except Standard. Firstly, DraftSight must be open, and the electrical schematic add-in must be active. Here we see a project open in electrical schematic and document sheet 05 open. After closing the document, we can open it in DraftSight from the context menu. On closing the project browser, the document is displayed. Note that in DraftSight, the document is opened as a DWG, in this case as document number 28. Looking back at the document in electrical schematic, we see it is number 28 as its usual EWG file type. So let's look at what can be accessed from within DraftSight. The menu functions map the project manager and project browser panels. Also maps to tools, library managers, configuration, project details, processes, and import-export menus, which act on the electrical project. Electrical design functions such as adding components and wires reside back in the electrical schematic product. Component type items become blocks, wire type items become polylines, and text becomes simple notes. However, as these are electrical design items, any changes to these will not be saved back to the design. DraftSight's strengths are therefore in the non-electrical graphics. Let's have a look at the differences between the two environments. Here we will create a simple graphic using the excellent drawing tools of DraftSight. Now we will save the document and create a similar graphic in the electrical schematic side. What we will see here is that the drawing tool set allows the creation of the graphic, but does not have the depth of drawing capability for the hatch pattern. Just one example of the differences between the two environments and how DraftSight can help on anything graphical within the electrical project.